Okay, so one of the cameras that I really enjoy is the GoPro Hero 9. I actually came from the Hero 4, and the Hero 9 has been such a fantastic camera. It's the one that I have experience with, the ones that I have used to record a bunch of motorcycle vlogs as well as regular vlogs. So in here, I kind of going to give you an idea how you can set up your own Hero 9 vlogging setup. Now, there's different ways, and I am going to do another video showing you a different way with a power bank as well. But here's just a couple decent ideas of how you can set up a small vlogging setup that is simple, is reliable, dependable, works just well. You don't have to have all this crazy stuff for really not too much money. You can set up a pretty decent setup. By the way, welcome to the Content Creator Tool channels. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Here in this channel, we talk about strategy and we talk about equipment that is going to help you become a better creator. This is the Hero 9. This thing is amazing. This thing is really good to record, and it has done just so great, guys. Just so great. I want to show you some of the quality here just for you guys to check it out and just for you guys to have an opinion. Again, this is a ride that I just did just recently, and it was such a great time. I had an amazing time doing this ride. I went out with my buddies, Katika Man and Randy, and look at the quality. Obviously, some of the things like having a great day, you know, obviously, if the weather is bad, it's going to be a little bit more complicated. But in this case, the weather was so beautiful that day. I'm riding actually my Road Glide. This is a gray motorcycle that I just recently have and really enjoy. But again, I wanted to show you the quality. You can see, you can expect that kind of quality from this camera. And again, you could just see it. You could just see, I'm going to tell you, I did upgrade from the Hero 4 to the Hero 9. Like, I actually been recording a lot of 4K videos. The video that you saw here on the screen, it was 4K. But I want you to see how small this thing. I mean, this thing is ridiculous. This vlogging setup is so small, so ridiculous, so easy to carry. I want you to see this, guys, and I'm gonna bring it over here. I mean, this thing is so small. And I'm going to tell you, it looks a little bit bigger because it has the mod on. And some people like this, some people dislike this. And in fact, if I bring it over here, what this gives you, and I'm going to tell you the reason why I have this set up right here, is that it gives you a microphone, right? So you have a microphone in the front, microphone in the back. Now, you're going to see a lot of mixed reviews in a way. Some people say that the microphone inside the GoPro is actually better. And there's some arguments about that. To me, I haven't really done too much testing because I have not taken this out. I haven't taken the mod out of the GoPro, and there's a reason for it because I attached this to my helmet. But again, you know, it is what it is. I think the audio sounds about the same way in a way from some of the testing that I have seen. But the reality is that this has a cold shoe right here, which you could legitimately attach a light. And, you know, I'm going to use this Ulanzi light right here, right? I'm going to show you this in about a minute. But again, you know, you could connect this right here. So now you have a light, right? Now you have this little light right here. And I'm going to bring it right here. So again, you have a little light. And again, this little light brings, I haven't charged this, but I want you to see this. I mean, this thing brings a ton of light, right? It has different settings right here. That's actually in the lower setting. Let me bring it up. And wow, that is a lot right there, right? So again, this brings a pretty good amount of light. And as you guys know, the GoPro is really not that great in night situations, right? So if you go into a situation where it's getting dark and all that, having a little light on you may be something that you want to do, right? Just a little soft light here. It gives you a little bit of that, right? That's a choice. The other thing that it does is, again, we're talking about this mod right here, is that you can attach a microphone. And again, you know, that's something else. If you want to have a microphone attached to, you could simply use this other shoe right here. Now we have this Synco that is just fantastic, and now we could run this cable into the 3.5 jack that is back here. Yeah, we got it right there. So this cable right here is a little bit longer. I'm sure we could wrap it around, do something to it. So again, now we have a light, and now we have a microphone, right? So this is pretty good. And this is the transmitter, this is the receiver, and then you could put this in your
sure, now you have the little light, you have your microphone, and you could legitimate be having serious, really good video with a really nice microphone, right? And I'm gonna tell you, if you go to places where there's a lot of people, you're gonna want this. Really, you're gonna want this because once again, the audio from the GoPro is pretty decent, but if you have tons of people around you, you may want to have this, right? So again, you can kind of do one of this, and you could be vlogging in a pretty decent quality, and look how small it is.
So there you have it. That's just going to be a very simple vlogging setup that you could use your Hero 9 to create awesome videos out there. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell. Definitely let me know what you think down in the comment section below. I really want to hear you guys' opinion, and we definitely see you in the next one.